Well, well, well. Isn't this simply splendid? The guest of honor, my darling Alice, and the eternal party crasher, the Batman. Oh, Alice, dearest Alice, how radiant you are tonight, even here, in the gloomy shadow of his presence. You shine brighter than all the stars of Wonderland. Do you see? Do you see what I've done for you? A banquet of the finest tea, the loveliest cakes, a world of delight just for us. But you, always you, with your fists and your growls and your rules, how dare you? How dare you sully this moment with your wretched, dreary self? You swoop in, calling me mad! Mad! As if you don't understand a single thread of the tapestry I've woven. Do you even know what love is, Batman? Real love. It's sacrifice. It's obsession. It's devotion beyond reason. Tell me, Kate Crusader, what do you sacrifice? What have you given for love? You hide behind your mask, your rules, your pathetic crusade. But I have given everything. My heart, my mind, my sanity, all for her. Alice, my sweet, you understand, don't you? You must. The world is a cruel, chaotic place. But here, we can be happy. Just you and me. Free of his meddling, free of the noise. Isn't that what you want, my love? Why? Why do you look at me like that? Alice, don't you see? I'm the hero of this story. I saved you from the mundane, from the dreariness of reality. You're supposed to thank me, love me. But you poisoned her against me, haven't you? You bat-shaped wrench! Whispered your lies! Your nonsense about freedom and choices. Choices are an illusion, Batman. Just a cruel trick played by time to make us suffer. And I won't let her suffer. Not anymore. Time is ticking, Dark Knight. You've ruined my gaze before, but this time the odds are stacked against you. Can you save her and yourself before the clock strikes midnight? Or will you finally learn what it likes to lose? Welcome to my tea party, Batman. Do try to enjoy it. It'll be your last.